welcome back sa aking YouTube channel! Hello guys! I hope you're all doing fine in your home. For today's video, I'm just so excited because this is something na sobrang hinintay kong dumating. Alam naman natin right now sa current situation ng Philippines, sobrang tagal dumating ng mga parcel. And I ordered this 2 weeks ago. Ngayon lang siya dumating. And I'm just so excited to get my hands on it because this is a product of my idol. Actually, I really love her. I really love the person behind this kasi ngayong quarantine siya yung nagbibigay sa akin ng saya, ng sigla. She gives me light and hope during this quarantine. And yan, I see Miss Alex Gonzaga. Yeah, so si Miss Alex Gonzaga, she actually released a collaboration with Issy Co with a couple of products. They have some multi-pots and some highlighters and the lip mousse. For today's video, what we're going to do is to have swatches and a thorough review of these products right here. Ayan, so these are the lip mousse from Issy Co. And even though idol ko si Miss Alex Gonzaga, I was still gonna give my honest to goodness impression and my honest to goodness review to this specific product. So, malalaman natin for today if these products are gandang kaaya-aya. So, it would become one of my favorites. Gandang carry lang. It's okay. Pwede kung gamitin, pwedeng hindi. Hindi ko talaga siya holy grail. Or gandang kaayaw-ayaw, no more. This will be the first and the last time that I will be using this product. So, we will be able to know all of those things later on. But before we start, if bago ka lang sa channel na to, don't forget to hit on like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell para updated ka sa aking bawat uploads. And also guys, I still have an ongoing giveaway right now. Click here para maka-join kayo because I'm giving away lipsticks. And after that, by next week, meron din akong another giveaway. So make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka every time. If you would like to be featured towards the end of the video, don't forget to leave a comment down below kung ano yung thoughts nyo about the product and anything that you would like to comment. Because towards the end of the video, I will be having my Aya shout out. So in order for you to be featured, don't forget to comment down below. So yun lang guys. So I'm just so excited for these items right here. Ayan, as what you can see, the packaging looks so good. And I will be using this for today. So let's start with the lip swatches and I will be back. Before we proceed with the lip swatches, let's talk about the specifics of these products. So basically, this is lip mousse from Issy Co in collaboration of Miss Alex G with her perma here. And this specific product is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and dermatologist tested. And also guys, you will be receiving 4.5 ml of product. Each product contains 4.5 ml and it has like 6 shades in total. So I have all of the 6 shades here and I will be having swatches for these shades later on. It says here that this is a soft lip mousse that imparts ultra intense yet weightless color payoff that also works well on the cheeks. Oh, pwede pala to sa cheeks. I didn't know. It is formulated with rose hip oil and vitamin E, which helps maintain the soft, youthful texture of the lips. It is also contains SPF 15 for extra added protection. Oh my God, hindi ko alam yun na meron pala itong SPF 15. Meron na itong protection sa inyong mga lips because it has SPF 15. So basically, yung claims niya is weightless. It has a very good color payoff and it is moisturizing and also it has SPF or sun protection. So we will be testing these out and see if this product is true to its claim. So let's see if this is again weightless, moisturizing, and it has a very good color payoff. Hindi ko matitest kung meron ba siyang SPF 15 because I don't have that ultraviolet churvalu that you could see na meron siyang SPF. But let's see if this is moisturizing and weightless. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and proceed to the lip swatches of the 6 shades. Alright, so those are the lip swatches of the newest Issy Co Lip Mousse in collaboration with Alex Gonzaga. So, let me just tell you something. All of the shades are wearable. So, lahat ng shades is something that you can actually wear every day. What I did on my lips is just a full-on lip, parang lipstick talaga na ganyan. But you can also timpla it using your finger and try to diffuse the color and blend it like that. Kahit yung mga darker colors, you can always wear, or you can actually wear it every day or on a daily basis kasi nga napakaganda ng color payoff and hindi siya yung super nang aagaw ng pansin na lip product. If ikaw ay nahihiya kang lumabas and nahihiya kang magsuot ng super duper bold lips, kahit yung mga dark colors, even though it's dark, it's not too bold para pansinin ka ng mga tao. It's not too dark, too bold para, uy, kontrabida siya. Ganun, hindi siya ganun. It's still very wearable every day. Yung favorite shade ko out of all the 6, actually lahat nagustuhan ko. But if I'm going to choose 1 or 2, I will be picking Fiancee and Rom Com. Itong dalawang to. This one right now that I'm wearing is Rom Com. Lakas makapabebe. Lakas makapabebe siya. And I really love how it looks in my lips. So if you're like a college student or a high school student who would like to get like a natural or MLBB na lipstick, these two are the shades that I actually recommend. But again, all of the shades are very wearable. Walang tapon that I really hate. Isa sa napansin ko sa kanya, it's very easy to glide onto your lips. So hindi ka mahihirapan. Wala siyang nagka-crumple, yung parang nagbubuo-buo. When you glide it on your lips, it glides so smoothly. Ang bilis ng application process. Every time that I do lip swatches, sobrang tagal kong matapos. But this one, I just finished the lip swatches in 10 minutes. Like, I was able to try everything, remove it, apply it. It's so easy to apply. It glides onto your lips so smoothly. And at one swipe, kahit yung mga darker and light, lahat ng shades in one dip, tapos i-swipe mong ganyan, it is really enough na to cover all of the parts of your lips. And hindi siya patchy. Hindi ka mahihirapan talaga sa kanya. Like, it's so easy. Like, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're done. That's it. This is also very good for girls on the go. Like, if you are working, if you're a student, it's really good kasi hindi ka mahihirapan dito, best. I'm actually very impressed as of this very moment. Application-wise, and sa color payoff, and also sa shade ranges. I'm really, really impressed. Now, in terms sa sinasabi niyang lightweight, I must say this is really lightweight. So, hindi siya ganun kabigat as compared to liquid matte lipsticks like nung sa Vice Cosmetics or other liquid matte lipsticks. Yun, sobrang bigat. This one, I can compare it to Sunny's Face Lip Dip. They have the same formulation. It's just that yung sa lip dip, once you apply it, hindi siya ganun ka-opaque yung kulay because it actually aims to blend into your lips na parang lip color lang siya. Yung parang natural lip color, yung sa Sunny's Face Lip Dip. If you have tried it, yung sa Sunny's Face Lip Dip, parang once you apply it, it blends into your lips so evenly and it blends into your lips na parang pag tingnan mo, ay hindi siya naka-lipstick. Parang ganun. Eto, this is lightweight. Same siya with Sunny's Face Lip Dip. But in terms of how it looks, it differs. Kasi eto, makikita mo, when you look at your lips, you would really see and tell na, ay, she's wearing something. Because the color is so opaque. If you don't have Sunny's Face Lip Dip, but you have lip tint, it is not as lightweight as lip tint. Kasi yung lip tint, paglagay mo niyan, parang wala ka ng suot. Parang makakalimutan mo lang. Ito, you could still feel that there's something in your lips, but it is very comfortable. It's very comfortable. Hindi siya bothering. I'm pretty sure after an hour, makakalimutan mo na that you have something on your lips. And also, hindi siya malagkit, which is really nice. And also, guys, what I love about this is really moisturizing. So, it's really true to its claim na it's also moisturizing. It's because kanina, when I applied it, I have so many cracks on my lips. But after a while, as what you can see, parang nag-smoothen out yung lips ko. Hindi na naging dry yung lips ko after application of this lip product. And I really love it. In fairness, I really love how it looks and how it feels sa labi. Hindi siya super drying, hindi siya sumisip-sip ng moisture. Alam niyo yun, yung mga lip product na once you wear it, para siyang sumisip-sip ng moisture. Ito hindi. If this is lightweight, yes, this is lightweight. If this is moisturizing, yes, this is moisturizing. And the color payoff, yes, it does really gives a very, very good color payoff. And sa 4.5 ml na product na ito, I believe that it will really goes a long way because one dip could already cover all of your lips. And also guys, one thing that I would like to say about this product is the packaging. The packaging is so lovely. Ayan, so regal. Parang lakas makasosyal, lakas maka-luxurious feel, lakas maka-teviant yung kanyang packaging dito sa box because it's rose gold and as what you can see, very minimalist, very simple yung packaging and I really love how it looks like. Also, sa product na mismo, it's very minimalist. Wala kayong iba makikita kundi Issy Co. Ayan, the shade is under here. Andito yung shade. So, very minimalist and frosted yung kanyang glass dito, which is really also nice. Very malinis, very clean. I just wish na sana naging rose gold na lang to para mas bongga na, but I can't complain. Maganda, sobrang ganda ng packaging. I really love it. I really love how it looks, yet very classy. So for this specific product, you could actually buy one shade for 399 pesos. So like 400. In terms of price range, 399, I guess it's a little bit expensive at my price point because I am a budgetarian. But then again, based on its quality and based on its color payoff, how moisturizing it is very, very sulit na. Ano nga ba yung thoughts ko sa product na ito? Is this gandang kaaya-aya? Gandang carry lang? Or gandang kaayaw-ayaw? I must say, is gandang kaaya-aya! Yes, I really love this collection that I've tried. I really love all of the shades. That's what I have mentioned kanina. Gustong-gusto ko yung shade. I love how moisturizing it is. I love the color payoff. I love how easy it glides on my lips. As soon as everything goes back to normal and I'll start working in the office again, this is actually the only lipstick that I'm gonna bring in my bag. I really love this specific product. Not because idol ko si Alex Gonzaga, but the performance itself, it is really, really nice. And by the way, guys, hindi ko na siya in-apply sa aking cheeks because I already have blush in my in my face. And nung nabasa ko, tapos na ako mag-makeup. So, hindi ko na-anticipate na pwede pala siya sa cheeks. Ayun lang, guys. So, that's all for today. I hope you got something from this video. I hope nakatulong ito. If you would like to buy these products and able to help you also decide what shade to choose. So, before we end this video, let's proceed to Aya's shoutout! I would like to make a shoutout to Kling Loreto. Thank you so much for always supporting me, my friend. Thank you so much for all of your comments and the suggestions that you've given to me sa aking mga videos. So, keep those comments coming. And for you guys, in order for you to be featured in my next video, keep those comments coming, especially suggestions on my next video. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. But before you leave, if hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click on subscribe na below and make sure to click on the notification bell para updated ka sa bawat uploads and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and see you guys all in my next video. Bye!